Hello again. Very exciting that you're here for part two. I am sure that you had a great time with part one and you're coming back for more. So let's finish this off and use Excel functions to do the same thing. All right, so it says fill in the interest payment column using the Excel operator. So you know how to do this. Do not type. When you have Excel and you already have information in there, avoid typing. It reduces errors, and when you get good at it, it really speeds things up. Fill in the principal amount using the operator, equal operator. Calculate the present value of each one. Okay, so just like we did on the first factor worksheet, we're going to calculate each lump sum individually. So it's going to be, the present value is going to be the total of everything. So let's see how this goes, of each of these lump sums. So let's see how this goes. It says rate. So I'm just going to point down here to the periodic rate, which is 8% divided by 2. The number of periods is this, G5 times 3. Oh, that is wrong again. That would be the annuity one. Here, we're discounting this $5,000 payment, one period. And the payment here is $5,000, and the FV is 0. Okay, when it has parentheses, that's an optional argument. If it's 0, it's an ordinary annuity, end of the period. So, I mean, we don't have to put it in there because it defaults to that. But I'll just go ahead and put it here for completeness. All right. So G9 is an interest rate. It's going to be used for all. So I'm going to put dollar in front of each, the column and the row, to show that it's a fixed reference. The number of periods isn't fixed and the payment isn't fixed. So when I copy it, I do want those references to move. Okay, and what is wrong? This does not look good. This looks really, really like a big number, because I haven't even put my 100,000 in yet. What could it be? Oh, I put it in as the payment when I really meant there's just one payment of 5,000 at year one. So now let me do this. This looks a little more reasonable because we can see our PV factors here, 4110 and 4110. Okay, so once again, I'm missing the 100,000. So I have to PV the rate. The number of periods is 2 payments per year times 3 years. The payment is 0 because we're just looking at a lump sum amount at the end. Okay, 105,242 sounds good. So now we're going to get to, you understand that we're going to get to using one function. You understand that the total present value is the sum of each individual present value, right? And you also understand that the bond is the present value of the annuity of interest payments plus the present value of the lump sum. So when we do the Excel function at the end here, equals PV, the rate, 4%, we can put it all in one function. And this is really kind of what you want to do. 3 years times 2 payments per year is the number of periods. Now we're going to put both the payment and the FV in there, and I'll put 0 for ordinary annuity just for completeness. Let me get rid of that minus, and let me format everything here. It's not formatted accounting. 105,242, 105,242, and then the last thing. So this is looking good. I put a function here that puts all the present values on one sheet so you can see them. Right. So let me see. Then it tells you put 12% in and 95,083. Okay. Well, there you have it. Good luck. Let me know if you have questions. But hopefully these instructions will get you through it okay.